Hey, so in this video I'm going to be creating a dice inventor, so let's just get right into it. So I'm going to start off by creating a cube, and then I can create a cylinder, which will be like the little holes in the dice. I can give it 64 vertices, move it up. I can enable smoothing and also auto smooth, scale it down a bit. I think that's alright. Move it down here. So on the top face, there's one, and I think to the right, so I'm gonna have to make this turn around the 3D cursor like this. I think to the right there's 3. I may be mistaken, but whatever. Yeah, that's just about right. And then next to the 3, let's do 5. So select these 2 outer ones and rotate by 90 degrees. Next to 5, I think it's 6. So let's do this. And then take these 2 and do this. And then 4 on the last face. Wait, no. Okay, yeah. That's the wrong way. 4 on the last face. That's good. And then 2 on the bottom face. Like so. Okay, so I select this, invert selection, select one of my cylinders, join everything, hide everything, go in here, add a Boolean modifier, and select my cylinder. That should be just about it. Then I can shade smooth, auto smooth, and maybe add a bit of a bevel, like so. Yep, that's just about it.